The first step is to convert the equations into the proper symmetric form. In the first equation, the second term should be rewritten. So we multiply the numerator and denominator with -1 to get y minus 1 by -1. Therefore, the direction ratios of the first line are 1:-1:p. For the second equation, the first part should be rewritten. So we can write it as x minus 2 by -3. So direction ratios of the second line are -3:5:2p. Take the direction ratios as A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. We will substitute this into the condition for perpendicular lines. Substitute the values for A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2, then solve for P.